Physiotherapy quiz, cardiopulmonary. A patient is displaying a irregularly slow rate of breathing. You observe there is deep inspiration which is followed by a period of apnea. This is a characteristic of Stokes breathing seen in meningitis, apneustic breathing seen in brainstem lesion, apneustic breathing seen in diabetic ketoacidosis, Biot's breathing seen in renal disorders. Think about your answer and match it with my answer. Correct answer is apneustic breathing seen in brainstem lesion. The above is a characteristic of apneustic breathing, characterized by irregular slow rate of breathing followed by apnea. It is seen in brainstem lesions. Incorrect answer are Stokes breathing is usually regular in nature. There is increasing depth of inspiration followed by decreasing. This is followed by a period of apnea seen in critically ill patients. Option C, apneustic breathing is not seen in diabetic ketoacidosis. D, Violet's breathing is characterized by slow, shallow depth followed by apnea. Rhythms is irregular, seen in central nervous system disorder like meningitis.